everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Ps5 wireless headset. So I went ahead and took liberty of cutting the circle right here, little circle sticker, so that I don't have to get a knife out and do all that in front of y'all. I have not opened it, all I did was simply cut away at that sticker. Now first in the box, we got our paperwork, just telling you how the headset works and everything. Next, have, not sure what's in here, let me see. Oh, all the wires and everything. You got your auxiliary wire, your charging cable, which is USB Type-C, and then you also got your pairing dongle, which you'll plug into your PS5 and you will connect it via that. Then we take this little packaging box out of the way. And here it is. Ps5 wireless headset. Anything else in the box? I don't think so. Let me just see here real quick. No, nothing else in here. Let's put that back in there. So we have headset right here. I'm gonna peel away the little plastic piece right there. Okay, so it looks right here you can adjust whether you're prioritizing chat or game audio. Let me go and read the instructions here and see. Oh, okay, so there's this monitor voice which lets you hear your own voice to try and see how your own voice is sounding. So, like I thought, you click the chat button, and which is the bottom one, and it allows you to hear players over the game sound, or you can click game, and it'll make the game louder than whoever you're talking to. There's a battery level indicator apparently. Let's turn it on and see. Okay, so there's this little LED indicator right there that tells you how much the battery is. So if it's purple and it's 3 blinks, then that means it's at full battery. 2 blinks is round the middle or 2/3. 1 blink is 1/3. Orange means it's almost dead. Press the chat and volume buttons at the same time. Alright, so mine is halfway right now, which is to be expected because it's just out of the box. Now this will work with your PS4, so you can use that. I guess you can use the dongle with the PS4 as well. You can use this to pair it with the PC as well. The auxiliary cable would be just for your phone, or if you just want to leave your dongle plugged into your console. And then you can charge it with this other cable right here. Now we're gonna go ahead and test it. Let me be right back, I'll get the phone. Here we go. Alright, now to use it with a phone, you do have to use the wire. You cannot use Bluetooth with the phone. It's not Bluetooth. It's Bluetooth, or it's wireless, it's not Bluetooth. It only connects to this dongle right here. Alright, let's go ahead and connect the wire. I also found my microphone, so that's why I got mic'd up. So you can hear me better. We're gonna test it first off, bass levels. We're gonna play What You Need by Bank. It's the True Myth remix. Now on the phone, the volume levels do not work. You have to use the phone volume rocker. I also will not be putting the music in the video because copyright. We want to get monetized here, so. Ooh. Sound quality is really good so far. Ooh, the bass just came in. Ooh, that bass drop. That's a good bass drop. These are good bass levels. That's some good bass levels right there. That's really, I'm speechless. This is amazing. And it's just really comfortable too, honestly. Cups your ears very nicely. Alright, that was really good. I'm honestly blown away. That is amazing. I'm going to go ahead and test the 3D audio because this is specifically 3D audio headset for the PS5 to take full advantage of the Tempest engine. So I'm gonna go and test the surround sound. I'm gonna test like spatial surround. Ooh. So it's like a fire crackling. I don't know why it's a fire, but it is, and it's like moving around. It feels like it's like right there. Oh, it switched sides. Now it's right here. Oh man. That's amazing. That's incredible. Let's do the environments. Okay, so right here we're in like a rainforest. And it sounds almost as if you're under an umbrella. You just kind of hear the rain all around you. All right, this one, you're like inside a car, and just outside, it's in a city. Just outside, there's a person playing the drums on the streets, and it just feels like it's right there. If I close my eyes, it just feels like I'm right there. Okay, now I'm just like in a heavily crowded area. Yeah, I'm just in a city in a heavily crowded area, like an outside mall. Just everyone talking all around you. Okay, now I'm outside in the city again, and there's just a person playing the drums like right there. Police car just ran by with the sirens. That was really loud. That's really nice. Now I'm like in a subway, train going by. Wow. I feel like I'm talking too loud almost, because, oh wow. I feel like I was talking too loud because the seal is like, it's really nice. That is amazing. That's incredible. I can't believe how, wow. I'm speechless how good that was. I definitely recommend these headphones if you have the money. They were pretty expensive. They're $100, but definitely worth it. I've heard other $100 headsets, and I think these are better than those. Yeah, this is amazing. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you want to see more content, and I'll see you later.